Ever wondered how your online transactions stay secure, or how messages you send remain private? The answer lies in the world of cryptography. Picture this: a bustling ancient marketplace where traders whisper secret codes to each other, ensuring their deals are safe from prying eyes. That's cryptography in its essence, a method of disguising and revealing, or as we say, encrypting and decrypting information. This practice of secret communication isn't a new invention of the digital age. No, it's an ancient craft refined over centuries, now applied to the fields of computer science, mathematics, and telecommunications. Its purpose? To protect information from adversaries. Whether it's a text to your friend, a top-secret government file, or a simple online purchase, cryptography is there, ensuring secure and private communication. So, the next time you hit that send button or enter your card details online, remember, cryptography, thus, is the invisible shield that safeguards your online presence. Now, you might be thinking, how does this invisible shield work? What makes it so secure? Well, let's delve into the two main components of cryptography: encryption and decryption. Imagine you have a secret message that you want to send across the digital universe. Encryption is the process of converting this plain text into a jumbled, unreadable format known as ciphertext. This transformation is like a disguise, concealing your message from prying eyes and preventing unauthorized access. But what happens when your message reaches its intended recipient? This is where decryption comes into play. Decryption is essentially the reverse process of encryption. It converts the scrambled ciphertext back into the original plain text. It's kind of like solving a puzzle. Only those who possess the correct key can unlock the coded message and reveal its true meaning. The beauty of cryptography lies in these two processes, making it a tough nut to crack for hackers. In the grand scheme of things, why does cryptography matter? Well, imagine a world where every secret you share, every piece of information you send, every digital transaction you make is open to the public eye. Sounds terrifying, doesn't it? That's where cryptography steps in. In today's digital age, where our lives are intricately entwined with the internet, cryptography plays a vital role. It's the invisible shield that guards our online presence. It ensures that the details of our private conversations, our financial transactions, our personal data, and so much more remain just that, private. Cryptography is the silent sentinel that stands guard over the vast expanse of the internet, thwarting attempts by unauthorized entities to gain access to our sensitive information. It's the iron wall that protects us from the prying eyes of cybercriminals, ensuring that our digital lives remain secure and unviolated. In the vast digital universe, cryptography is your personal bodyguard, keeping your secrets safe from prying eyes.